Today we're making a cocktail and we call it the Hope Diamond. We're going to start 2 ounces of the gin. Next, we are going to use some simple syrup. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce, and that's that same butterfly stuff. Next, 3/4 of an ounce of Elderflower Liquor.
That would be Butterfly Pea Flower Blossom.
Yeah, what she said. Okay, we're going to take that in there, and next we are going to use just 1/4 ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, fresh is best, and that's going to go in there. A little bit of ice, 1 big cube, goes in the glass, pop on the shaker, give it a good shake, and it's going to start to change color in there. And now what we're going to do is actually garnish the glass, and what we're doing is we're putting in there a blue ice cube, and it uses that butterfly flower pea. And that goes in there, and you can see a nice 20 carat, 35 carat gem floating in there, and that is what we call the Hope Diamond. You made me say the words, now you got to drink the drink.
Butterfly Pea Flower
Blossom.
Blossom.
I can get the blossom part down.
That's good.
There you have it, folks. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button.